Hi everyone, welcome back to Short Sparks. And many creators ask me why I use Midjourney via Discord.com, why I don't use Midjourney via Midjourney.com, and what is the difference between Midjourney.com and Discord.com. There are a lot of confusion, and in this video, I will show you the difference, and I will also tell you why I like to use Midjourney via Midjourney.com. First of all, you will get same quality of image whether you use Midjourney via Midjourney.com or you are using Midjourney via Discord.com. You will get same kind of quality. Okay, the quality will not change. Now, then what is the difference? So the difference is only in the interface, how you generate your visuals, and there are some options which are available on Midjourney.com and which you cannot find on Discord.com. Okay, so the first major difference is how you generate your images. All right, so to generate your images on Midjourney.com, you get this prompt box, and to do any adjustment like aspect ratio or stylization, or to do any changes in these settings, you get this settings box. On Discord, if you want to change your aspect ratio, then you will have to use aspect ratio parameter, AR parameter. If you want to do any change in stylization, then you need to use stylization parameter, this S parameter. Okay, so if you want to do any modification in this section and you are using Midjourney via Discord.com, then you will have to use the relevant parameter. Second difference is if you want to provide reference image. Let's say you want to provide a reference image for character consistency. Okay, then on Midjourney.com we have this option, add image. If you click here, you will get some options like you want to add this image for style reference or omni reference. Let's say I have this image and I want to use this character as a reference image. So I can drag and drop it in the omni reference, because omni reference parameter is for character consistency. So I can drag and drop it here. And then I can write a prompt, a king standing near a horse. Then I can write a simple prompt like this and hit enter. On Discord, if you want to provide reference image, then you will have to provide the link of your reference image. For example, if I want to use this first character as my reference character, so I need to use omni reference parameter, because on Discord we need to use parameters, OREF parameter. So what I will do is I will press slash, I will go to imagine, I will write a prompt, a king standing near a horse. All right, and then I will add aspect ratio parameter, AR 16:9, because I want this image for landscape. Then I will add OREF parameter because I want to provide this image as my reference image. So I will add -- OREF. All right, so this is the OREF parameter, same as omni reference which you get on Midjourney.com. After OREF parameter, I will press space and I will go over this image. I will right click and I will copy image link and I will paste the link here and then hit enter. So this is how you can provide references if you are using Midjourney via Discord.com. So you will get the same quality. Now you can see this is the image we generated on Midjourney.com. The king is standing near a horse. And this is the image we generated via Discord.com. The king is standing near a horse. Why I like to use Midjourney via Discord? Because when I started using Midjourney, at that time, we had only one option to use Midjourney. We had only Discord where we can use Midjourney. At that time, generating image on Midjourney.com was not possible, was not available. This option was not available. So when I was learning Midjourney, when I was generating Midjourney images, I was using Midjourney via Discord.com, and I got so comfortable with this interface that I still use Midjourney via Discord.com. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.